In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Excel sheet to Google Drive and make it editable. This process is straightforward and incredibly useful, especially if you find yourself needing to access your spreadsheets from anywhere or collaborate with others in real time. By the end of this guide, you'll be well on your way to seamlessly managing your Excel files in Google Drive. Let's get started by heading over to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Drive. This will take you to the home page, where you'll begin by ensuring you're signed into your Google account. If you're not, you'll want to do so to make use of Drive's features. Once you're in the Google Drive interface, the next step is to upload your Excel file. To do this, look to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll see an option labelled New, adorned with a plus sign. Click on it and a menu will appear with several options. From this menu, you need to select File Upload. This option allows you to choose and upload files from your computer directly to Google Drive. A file navigation window will open, prompting you to locate the Excel sheet you want to upload. You can browse through your folders to find the specific file you're interested in. Once you've found the file, select it and click Open to initiate the upload. You'll notice a progress bar that appears in the bottom right corner of the screen, indicating that your file is being transferred to the cloud. Give it a moment and it will soon be available for access within your drive. Now that the Excel file is uploaded, the next step is to make it editable. Locate your newly uploaded file in your drive, represented by a green icon to denote its Excel format. Double click on the file and it will open a preview within Google Drive. Here you'll notice a button at the top of the screen labelled Open with Google Sheets. Clicking this button is crucial because it converts your Excel file into a Google Sheets document, thus making it editable. When you click Open with Google Sheets, Google takes care of the conversion process, maintaining the integrity of your data and any formatting where feasible. With your sheet open in Google Sheets, all the powerful features of this tool are at your disposal. You can now edit, share and collaborate with others effortlessly. To ensure smooth collaboration, take note of the Share button in the top right corner. This feature is essential for working with colleagues or clients in real time. Simply click this button, enter the email addresses of those you wish to share with, adjust their editing permissions, and you'll be collaborating on this document in no time. Remember, any changes made will be saved automatically in Google Sheets, making version control a thing of the past. So there you have it, your guide to uploading and editing Excel sheets in Google Drive. Enjoy the flexibility and collaboration that comes with this seamless integration. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.